Why should you start a YouTube channel in 2018? What's good, Wealth Builders? It's your boy DeVaughn back again with another video. And today we're talking about why should you start a YouTube channel in 2018? So let's go.
Now tuned into the greatest.
Okay, let's be real. YouTube is everywhere. Even though they changed some things, it's still the #1 way people digest information and spend time when they're bored and want to just get away and watch something for fun. So if you're a marketer like me, then starting a YouTube channel should be one of your main top traffic sources, okay? If you don't know what traffic means, that means eyes, people seeing your products, seeing your videos, seeing you, okay? That is what traffic means, and it should be one of your top traffic sources still in 2018. All right, so let's talk proof. You want some proof that it's still the #1 way to get people in front of your product? All right, let's talk. Video will account for 79% of global internet traffic, okay? And 50% of that is gonna go straight to YouTube, all right? You can see a 157% increase in organic, we're talking about organic traffic, free traffic basically, by including videos on your site. Social video generates 1,200% more shares than text and images combined, all right? Video users see 27% higher click-through rates and 35% higher web conversion rates, all right? 64% of customers are more likely to buy a product after watching a video about it. Think about that. So if you're selling anything from Amazon products to ClickBank affiliate products to your own products to MLM products to network marketing products, whatever you want to be selling, you should be doing it through some type of video, correct? And YouTube is the #1 way to convey that message through video. Now, there's other ways you can do it. There's Facebook, there's Instagram, there's Twitter video. There's a lot of video that you can use through social media, but YouTube is still the #1 choice, okay? All right, so, and if you want some more proof, you are watching this video right here. Come on, think about it. All right, so if you're trying to sell anything, then you should make videos on your YouTube channel. It's just that simple, okay? Don't just be a watcher of video. You want to create videos for yourself. Now, let's not get it twisted. I'm not here to tell you that YouTube should be an income stream as far as their ad network is concerned, okay? It's getting harder and harder to make a substantial income anyway, using YouTube just for the ad network. There should be some type of affiliate marketing that you should be doing with your YouTube channel, no matter if you're eating food, cooking food, shopping on your YouTube channel, if you're just a vlogger, if you just want to shoot videos of you having fun with your friends, there should be an end game. There should be a product in that description that you're trying to sell, okay? Because to be honest with you, the ad network is getting harder and harder and harder and harder to make a substantial income, okay? So with that being said, you want to focus most of your energy on building your channel around different affiliate products. It's just that simple, okay? But I want to help you make better videos, okay? Because honestly, it's like I said, there's a lot of competition out there, so you want to be able to make better videos. And because of this competition, your videos need to stand out more, okay? And if they don't, you're going to fade to the back, all right? So you have to find a way to stand out, all right? So I found the perfect tool for you to do it with. Is one of those tools that are basically, that is a game changer, okay? When I say game changer, I mean the type of things you can do with this video tool will change the way people create videos online. Trust me. All right, so you might want to take heed to this video too. Don't pass it up, okay? It's fairly affordable. You don't want to have to go back and say, "Dag, I should have purchased that tool, man, because if I did, I'd be able to do this, that, and the third." Okay, you want to go ahead and purchase this tool right here, right? I just got it at the time of me recording this video, and I love it. All right, so go ahead, check it out below. Click the link in the description. Thanks for watching and subscribing to my channel. It's your boy DeVaughn signing off for Why Should You Start a YouTube Channel in 2018. All right, do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.
Now tuned into the greatest.